Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making something extra special. Mint chocolate graham crackers that are not only delicious but also made with simple, real ingredients. These are one of my boys' favorite snacks and a perfect replacement for those overly processed store-bought versions. As a homeschool family, we use recipes like this one as a part of our curriculum. Baking teaches everything from fractions to following directions and even patience when you're waiting for your snacks to cool. First, you'll combine your dry ingredients: wheat flour, cocoa powder, baking powder, and baking soda, and just a little salt. Mix this until all of your ingredients are fully combined. Next, you'll combine your wet ingredients: maple syrup, milk, melted butter, vanilla extract, and last but not least, the mint extract. Stir those until they're fully combined. We're keeping it super clean, no seed oils, refined sugars, and definitely no artificial flavors. Just rich cocoa, refreshing mint, and a gentle sweetness they love. Now we are going to combine both our wet and dry ingredients. Pour your wet into your bowl with your dry ingredients and stir it until a dough starts to form.
Back on it so nobody
Next, you'll move to kneading it by hand. You want to make sure there is no dry bits of flour left in the dough. This recipe is easy to make. Your kids can help with almost every step. It's a great chance to bond in the kitchen and sneak in a little learning too. Now place your dough in between two pieces of parchment paper, or like I did, one large piece folded in half, and roll it out to about 1/8 inch thick. Then, using a knife or your favorite cookie cutters, cut out your crackers and place them on a parchment-lined baking sheet. If you don't want them to puff up, you'd like them to stay thin and crispy, make sure you poke them at least once or twice with a toothpick to prevent that from happening. Now place your graham crackers in the oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes until they are just cooked. Remove them from the cookie sheet and place them on a cooling rack to dry. And that's it. Our homemade mint chocolate graham crackers are ready to enjoy. My boys love having these with a glass of milk as a snack or tucked into their homeschool lunch when we're on the go. I love that they're getting something nourishing and that they get to be a part of the process from start to finish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit subscribe so that you don't miss any of our natural living tips, homeschool ideas, and kid-friendly recipes. Leave a comment below if you try this. We'd love to see what you think. Or if you have a favorite snack recipe you'd like us to try next. See you on the next one.